Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Chantelle. This is my basic journey. I live and travel in my minivan with my dog Joey, and we are currently traveling along the Olympic Peninsula in Washington. We've been here for about 2 weeks now. I'm getting ready to leave the spot I last left you guys off at. I'm near Cadillac, I think that's how you say it, on a Forest Service road out in the middle of nowhere, and I have absolutely no service. But we are going to go back into town today. I'm going to go into Forks and see if I can pick up a package, because if you guys have been following along, I lost my ID, and I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that what I have will be sufficient enough for me to pick up my package. We'll see. You guys are going to come along for that wonderful journey. Then I have to get groceries, and then we're going to be heading into the Hoh Rainforest. I got a reservation at a campground there. The Hoh Rainforest is the largest temperate rainforest in North America, and so we're going to go check it out. I'm going to bring you guys with me. If you're new here, please subscribe. Hey, Joe, you ready to go? Are you so cold, baby Joey? Got you all bundled up, huh? All right, ready to go to Forks? Get some groceries? We're back on the 101, heading north towards Forks.
Continue on US 101 north for 33 miles.
All right, I'm at the post office. Time to see if they'll let me get my package or not. Fingers crossed, guys, fingers crossed. They let me get my package. That's so exciting. Hey, Joe. You're getting so excited, Joe? I'm so excited. We're almost there, guys. Headed into the rainforest. Yay. We are officially in the park, and I just want to say that I am so happy that I have that annual pass. I've already saved over $100 on park passes just from having that. Totally worth it. Now let's go find our campsite. I made a little pit stop at the visitor center, see if they have a sticker that I can get. Unfortunately, the bookstore portion of the visitor center was closed, so no stickers. But they told me to go to the Hard Rain Cafe, which is where we already went. There's also another one that I didn't stop at called Peak 6, so I might stop there on the way out and see if they have another sticker I can get. All right, we made it to our campsite, site number 53 in the Hoh Campground. Ooh, I'm in the rainforest. Look at how beautiful it is here. It's so green, and we actually got a little bit of sunshine. You guys like my new pillowcase? It's velvety. Hi. Oh, he's being really cuddly today. Just being a cuddle bug. Good morning, you guys. So yesterday, after we ate dinner, we just watched Rent and then fell asleep. So that's all we did yesterday. I'm going to drink my coffee and wake up a little bit, but then I'm going to take you guys on a tour of this campground. There are 3 different loops. I'm on loop B, so we'll start with that one and then we'll work our way around. But it is absolutely breathtaking here. I really feel like I'm in a rainforest. It's because I am. I also got this new sweater, Hoh Rainforest. Alright, you guys, time for the grand tour of this place. So we'll start with my site, which is site 53. And I might be a little biased, but I do think it's the best site here. It's nice and open. It's nice and flat. You have all this trees and shrubbery like guarding you. So you're nice and private back here. You have a direct little path to the visitor center, which also goes to all the trails. But since Joey's not allowed on them, we have not gone on them either, so he wishes. So my site is on loop B, and there are 3 different loops, loop A, B, and C. And so we'll just go around the different loops and I can show you all my favorite sites that I've seen so far. So I really like that my spot is really close to the bathrooms and the water, and the camp host is also right there. The bathrooms are relatively clean, cleaner than most. There's no showers. This little hut right here sells firewood, $6 a bundle, and they get it from the Hard Rain Cafe, which is that place we went to find a sticker when we first got here. They also have showers there, so I'll probably stop there on the way out, get a shower. Got a dumpster. So this is the end of my loop, and it loops back around here. But I think I'm gonna head to another loop and we'll circle back around. So straight across from B is loop A. And this one seems to be the most open, like the least amount of trees. Still pretty, but I do like my trees. Doesn't feel as rainforesty on this side. You guys see what I mean about this one being like more open? You're definitely more like right on top of your neighbors. Not my fave, but still very pretty. So they have this site blocked off, but it goes right down to the creek. So pretty. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Wow. Can you do it? I'll help you, hold on. In case anybody wanted to know, he totally made it up all on his own. Such a big boy, Joe. Talk about a dream van. That thing is ready to adventure. I just really don't like how open these all are. Loop A, everyone. So we just did A loop, and now we're gonna go do C loop and then come back and do my loop. They do have a dump station here. Unfortunately, probably because of COVID, they do have it closed right now. But normally they do. I'm not sure if it costs anything either. It does look like there's like a pay fee box, so maybe. Can we just admire how cute this little street light is? Like, I'm taller than it. It's so little. Hey, dude. This one, the bathroom's all hidden back there. Kind of like that. It's like an adventure every time you have to go. Ooh, I really like this one. Come here, Joey. Let's show him this. It's nice and hidden. And you're right on the creek. You guys see that rainbow? Oh, I really like this one. 79. Let's take a look. Nice flat pad. And your own little personal jungle. So pretty. It's definitely private back here. I love it. It's probably my favorite one so far besides mine. Number 79, Loop C. Now we're back at the beginning of Loop C. And then over here they have like a campfire section and it connects to Loop B. Super cool back there. Isn't this cool? Like, I'm sure like during the summer this is a really fun place to be. Have a little campfire. And now we're back on Loop B, which is my loop. Are we close to home, Joey? Okay, is my sight not the best sight? Like I said, I'm a little biased, but... And that was the grand tour, everybody. Was that fun, Joe? All right, you guys, I started editing and time just got away from me, but it is late. I need to go to bed, and in the morning I am leaving this campground. I am going to stop at the Hard Rain Cafe and take a shower there because they do offer showers and I need one pretty badly. But then I'm also going to go to the other gift shop that they have. I thought it was more of like a sporting goods store, but that was the one that was recommended to me when I asked about stickers at the visitor center here. She told me to go there, so we're gonna stop. I can't remember what it was called, like Big Sport 6 or something. I can't remember, but I'll show you guys here. And you guys can see if you would like to go here if you come to this park. I had such a good time hanging out in the Hoh Rainforest in the Olympic National Park. I did have a pass to get in here, otherwise I do believe it was $30 or $35 to get in. It was absolutely stunning here, and I honestly feel like in my element in the rainforest. The Pacific Northwest has my heart, and I really don't want to leave this place. There is free camping outside of the park, so maybe I'll end up just staying there tomorrow, but I hope you guys had fun coming along with me and seeing the tour of this campground. If I didn't have a dog, I'd be able to do more of the hikes that they actually have in the park, but I'm okay with just being able to explore the campground. It's absolutely freaking gorgeous, so I can't wait to come back here. Especially this entire area, the Olympic Peninsula, is just, I can't even tell you guys how magical it feels here, but I just love it so much. But I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed yet, please do so below. I'll also put a link for my Patreon in the description box in case you're interested in checking that out. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!